The iPhone 17 Pro Max just launched. And yes, it's an amazing phone. But if you're someone who upgrades every few years, or you want the most future-proof device, you might want to pause for a moment. Because early leaks suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be one of the biggest upgrades in iPhone history with features Apple has never done before. From a revolutionary camera system, to a massive chip upgrade, to even satellite internet, this phone might completely change the way we use iPhones. Stick around, because we're going to cover every major leak in detail, and you don't want to miss a single one. Hey everyone, welcome back to TryTech AB, your go-to channel for honest tech news, leaks, and reviews. If you love staying ahead of the latest smartphones and tech innovations, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Now, let's dive into the 10 major upgrades coming to the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple isn't changing the camera bump too much, but leaks suggest the glass on the back, especially around the MagSafe area, could become slightly translucent. It won't be fully see-through, more like a subtle premium hint of the internals. Think of it as a design style similar to the Nothing phone, but more refined, more Apple-like. This might also allow for new color effects or light reflections, giving the iPhone a fresh, modern look without being too flashy. On the front, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature a smaller dynamic island. Under-display Face ID has been delayed until iPhone 20, so this change is mostly visual, not functional. Apple is likely doing this to clearly differentiate the new model from the 17 Pro Max, similar to when they shrunk the notch on the iPhone 13 series. It's a small tweak, but it can make the phone look cleaner and more modern. Now let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades, the camera. Apple is reportedly adding a variable aperture system to the 48-megapixel main camera, a first for iPhones. This means the camera can physically adjust how much light enters the sensor. It allows for smoother video recording, even in bright light, without stutter or motion blur. It also improves background blur and gives you sharper, more detailed photos. Basically, your iPhone could finally take professional-looking videos and photos without extra gear. Next up, performance. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch with the A20 Pro chip built on TSMC's first 2-nanometer process. This introduces gate-all-around transistors, reducing power leakage and increasing efficiency. What does that mean for you? Faster performance for games and apps, better battery life, stronger graphics and AI performance, and more CPU and GPU cores. This is Apple's biggest chip upgrade in over a decade, and it could make even the iPhone 17 Pro Max feel slow in comparison. With all this power comes more heat. Leaks suggest Apple is redesigning the vapor chamber cooling system, possibly using stainless steel components to make it larger and more effective. This should reduce thermal throttling during gaming, multitasking, and professional video recording. Efficient cooling is often overlooked, but it's key to maintaining peak performance over time. Here's something really exciting. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to support full satellite-based internet, not just emergency texting. Apple may partner with SpaceX to make this possible. Imagine having internet access while hiking, camping, or traveling somewhere with no cellular signal. No dead zones, no frustration, truly a game changer for travelers, adventurers, and anyone in remote areas. Apple is also simplifying the camera control button. They're removing the swipe gestures and relying on pressure input only, which prevents accidental setting changes. There's also hope they'll reposition the button for more comfortable usage, no more awkward finger stretches when taking photos. A small but meaningful usability improvement, especially for photography enthusiasts. Connectivity is getting a big upgrade too. Apple plans to replace Qualcomm modems with their own C2 or C2X5G modem. This will bring faster, more reliable 5G connections, better power efficiency, millimeter wave 5G support, and quicker switching between Wi-Fi and cellular. Owning the entire chip ecosystem allows Apple to fully optimize connectivity, something Android phones struggle to match. The telephoto lens is also getting a larger aperture, allowing more light to enter. This means clearer zoom photos, less noise in low light, better background blur, and overall sharper images. Combined with the main camera upgrades, the iPhone 18 Pro Max looks to be pushing pro-level photography on a smartphone to a new level. Finally, the display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may reach up to 3,600 nits of brightness, matching the brightest Android phones on the market. Apple may also increase manual brightness, improving visibility outdoors, and making HDR content look even better. If your current phone is still working fine, waiting another year could be the smarter choice. With the A20 Pro chip, camera upgrades, satellite internet, better efficiency, and improved connectivity, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be a major leap forward. For tech enthusiasts and anyone who wants the best future-proof device, this is an upgrade worth waiting for. Thanks for watching. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to TryTech AB for more tech news, leaks, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.